Previously in our last episode. And just ahead.
Girl Scout cookies!
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats.
Stout here for OG Creations.
Who the fuck is this?
March. March has many celebrations. National Peanut Butter Lovers Day.
Peanut butter jelly time!
National Pound Cake Day.
Pounding, relentlessly.
National Girl Scout Day.
Girl Scout cookies!
Ides of March.
You totally just stabbed Caesar!
Great American Meat Out Day.
It burns!
But the one holiday that instantly comes to mind when you think of partying in March is... No. Actually, yes, but that isn't the one I was thinking of. It's St. Paddy's Day. With a rich heritage and active Irish community, you don't have to look far for a St. Paddy's Day event in Seattle. You can get shit-faced in any number of neighborhood pubs, like the Chieftain, Old Peculiar, Connorburn for a Jameson and live performances, or you could head to the uber-haunted Keels in Post Alley and share a Guinness or two with one of the many ghosts.
There's some things here that I'm starting to think about, though.
Bitch, I'm a ghost. Bitch, I'm a ghost. Bitch, I'm a ghost. I go boo.
You can puke your way through a 2-day bar crawl. Add motion sickness to your festivities with boat parties on Lake Union. See if you can run straight during a 5K or 12K fun run. Or kick back and enjoy a traditional St. Paddy's parade.
Their traditional dance celebrates the spirit and the ingenuity of the Irish people. Wake up, mother...
With all of this Irish pride, G definitely felt the need to create something using many shades of green. But he couldn't decide on making a hoodie or some men's pants, so he's doing both.
Fuck that!
In this 2-for-1 video, let's create a hoodie that will keep you warm when you're kissing the Blarney Stone. And some colorful thongs that will hold you in place, whilst at the same time allows you to stay cheeky in your kilt on a windy day. It's time to prep for Hurricane Shamrock. Rename all of your children Megan.
Megan!
Look at him spin around. They're so confused.
Don your best green on green outfit. Get blackout wasted and start a bar fight. All in the name of Christianity arriving in Ireland. Let's get locked up and get started.
Slanjava.
I'm starting with a Hanes Ultimate Cotton Hoodie in white. I wanted a big, fat, gay-ass rainbow smack dab in the center of this one, so from bottom to top, I do a rough gather and secure each side with sinew. I then crumple each arm by roughly gathering the material and securing it with more sinew. I then loosely tie a few links of sinew over the center to help keep it together, but loose enough not to prevent the dye from permeating the material. I then soak it in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes before it is set aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. I used a shit ton of colors on this one. On the arms and rib cage portions, I practically inject grainy apple green by using small needle nose application bottles. I then alternate avocado and moss greens, covering the remaining material. Starting from the very top of the hood and working my way down, I create my rainbow by applying Chinese red, orange crush, lemon yellow, new emerald green, Houdini blue, and grape dyes. I allow this to set for 2 to 3 hours. I then flip the hoodie over and apply the dyes again, following the same process. It is set aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all of the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. I love a combo set. Basically, this could be a gay man's version of any Chico's purchase. For the thongs, which are 95% cotton and 5% spandex, I wanted the rainbow to be on one hip. From the side of the pouch to the top of the back strap, I equally divide the material into 6 portions, securing each with sinew. The thongs are then soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and set aside for 24 hours. Directly on my dye rack, I apply the same colors as I did to the hoodie. On the rainbow hip, Chinese red, orange crush, lemon yellow, new emerald green, Houdini blue, and grape dyes are applied. The rest of the thong is covered in grainy apple, avocado, and moss. They are all set aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. After being rinsed in the same fashion as the hoodie, they are all dried, ironed, and placed into inventory and added to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com.
I'm a ghost, yeah. I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost.
Well, shit. I think these are beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. I love it. The only thing missing from this combo set is a pearl necklace. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you want to leave a comment, be sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone, plus it really does help with the algorithm for new viewers to find my channel. So please comment away. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Happy St. Patty's Day.
I did this shit.